Hello there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are tackling a crucial topic, how to save a baby chick from dying fast. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or a beginner, these tips are lifesaver. Tip number 7 is my ninja tip, so do endeavor to watch to the end of this video. Let's dive right in. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like, subscribe so that this video can also get to other people who also needs it. Thank you very much. Baby chicks are adorable, but they can also be incredibly fragile. Here are 8 fast ways, both organic and non-organic, to save a baby chick in distress. Chicks need a steady temperature of around 95 Fahrenheit or 36 degrees Celsius in their first week of life. A simple heat lamp works wonders, but make sure it is safely secured. Alternatively, you can also use charcoal burner, but you have to be careful because of its smoky nature to avoid suffocation. Ensure their feet are isolated from the floor. They can easily catch cold from direct contact from the floor. Place wound shavings on the floor and cover with a carton to prevent cold. Next, hydration. Dehydration is a silent killer. Adding electrolyte to their water can make a huge difference, especially if they are weak. These electrolytes are contained in most of the multivitamins we buy from the counter. A natural option: mix a teaspoon of honey with a pinch of warm water. This gives them a quick energy boost and helps with hydration. 3. Nutrient-rich diet. Food is fuel. Make sure they have access to a high-quality chick starter feed. If you notice they are not eating, try wetting the feed to make it more appealing. For an organic boost, you can mash up a boiled egg yolk and mix it in. It is packed with protein and easy to digest. 4. Administer vitamin. Sometimes chicks need a little extra help, especially on arrival from a long journey. Adding liquid vitamins to their water can support their immune system and overall health. Look for chick-specific supplements at your local farm store. For an organic alternative, a small drop of molasses in their water can provide a nutrient boost. 5th, isolate sick chicks. If a chick appears weak or sick, isolate it immediately to prevent the spread of illness. Set up a small, warm, and comfortable space for them to recover. Keep a close eye on them and provide extra care, including the tips we have mentioned. 6. Check for external parasites. Parasites like mites can drain a chick's energy fast. Check their feathers and skin regularly. For a natural remedy, dust their brooder with the artemisious earths and spray with garlic extract and essential oil. You can also mix charcoal and wound ashes with their wound shavings or sawdust. They are safe for chicks but deadly for parasites. 7. Wash for pasty boots. Pasty boots is a common issue where droppings stick to the chick's vent, preventing them from defecating. This can be fatal if not addressed quickly. Check their rear daily and clean it with warm water and a gentle cloth. Then dry the chick's body. Applying a bit of olive oil around the vent can prevent future issues. To avoid pasty boot, adjust heat source to the right temperature. High temperature is one of the leading causes of pasty boot. Avoid giving chicks treats like fruits, nuts, bread, etc. Their digestive system cannot handle such treats at that age. And again, if the chick is suffering from diarrhea, ensure to help get rid of the excess watery poop by massaging the rear gently, after which you give the chicks electrolyte for quick recovery. If the chicks find it difficult to stand or walk, a gentle up and down motion of the chick's leg will help or encourage blood circulation. Lastly, keep an eye out for signs of respiratory distress, wheezing, coughing, or nasal discharge. Ensure their brooder is clean. free from charcoal, smoke, well ventilated, and avoid ammonia buildup due to caked and wet manure. For mild issues, a natural remedy is adding a drop of apple cider vinegar, ginger, and garlic to their water. They help clear minor respiratory infections. If you are experiencing stubborn cough in your chickens all the time, watch the next video to learn how to prevent and treat stubborn cough in your chicken, mainly caused by mycoplasmosis. See you there. Sam is out. Bye.